Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I'm going to be showing you guys the Shein press-on nails tutorial. If you guys want to know how they look and how I apply them, then just keep on watching. These are how my nails currently look, and my cuticles are so dry and my nails are just very off. I haven't done them in a while, so I'm just gonna start off by filing my nails down a little bit more. I prefer them to be very nubby before I put on the press-on nails. Now I'm just going to be taking my cuticle remover and a cuticle pusher because I just need to push them back a little bit more. Maybe a week before I started filming this tutorial, I did already push them back and cut them, but they did grow out, so I just want to make sure I'm starting off with a clean slate before I put on the press-on nails. Everything that I'm mentioning in this video with the tools I use and the nails and just everything like that will be linked down below for you guys. And I just want to say a little reminder not to cut so much of the cuticle off while you're doing this, because sometimes I can make that mistake. I did make that mistake a few times in this video, so be very careful while you do this. Once you're done doing this step, you want to make sure to wash your hands. Now I'm just going to take my nail prep dehydrator, and this is just going to help my press-on nails to stay and last longer and to remove all the oils that I may have on my fingernails. These are the nails I'm going to be using from Shein, and they just have black, white, and gold on them, and I feel like these are perfect for the fall and winter time, and I just love how they look. These were only $2.50. I am going to scratch my nails a little bit with the nail file so they could actually stick on better. I have a whole nail tutorial giving you guys tips and tricks on how you can make your press-on nails last for a whole month, so I'll link that video down below. I highly recommend you guys watching that after this video. These nails do not come with glue. You actually have to get this glue on your own, which, like I said, I'll leave everything that I'm using in this video down below for you guys. But these nails come with nail stickers that you can just stick on your nails. I just prefer using nail glue. Once I'm done putting them on, I am going to be moisturizing my hands with some Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion because during the fall and winter time, my hands and cuticles get so dry, and my hands and cuticles really need the love. So I love using this lotion from Jergens. Now I'm taking my new favorite cuticle oil, and it's from Macyville, New York, and this is in the scent vanilla, and this smells so good. Like, I promise you guys, it smells so good, and it actually moisturizes my cuticles really well. It healed them too, because my cuticles were so dry and just horrible. So this cuticle oil actually did so many wonders. And these are my final results. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Use my discount code Symphony15 to get 15% off your Shein nails or any Shein order that you have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.